Lesson goal. From this lesson, you'll learn about trading plans and trading systems. You'll also know why traders need a plan and what activities should be necessary before starting trading. Learning outcome. Understand what trading plan is. Know about simple trading plans and automated investment. Learn the tactical trading plans. Overview of trading plan and trading system. Find out why forex traders need a trading plan. Discover the necessary activities before start trading. Simple trading plans and automated investment. Investing platforms allow investors to schedule automated investments at regular intervals. In automated investing, an investor invests a certain amount of money into mutual funds or other assets each month. Automated processes should still follow a written plan despite being automated. It will also force the investor to consider what to the market doesn't go their way, since the planning process gives them a sense of what they can expect each month. Besides defining how to get into positions, the trading plan also specifies when to exit them. Buy and hold investors can invest automatically and never sell anything until they reach retirement age. There is even a possibility they need to look at their holdings more. The stock market could fall by 10%, 20%, or some other percentage before investors automatically invest. Then they begin to contribute larger amounts per month. Investors can also choose to invest automatically every month, but with sell rules if their investments decrease too much. Investing automatically requires investors to allocate a certain amount of capital to each investment. Decisions like this aren't made randomly. The plan should be well researched and well thought out, then written down and followed. Automatic investing may be simple, but it still requires a trading plan to navigate the ups and downs.